Look at these geese. See you later, geese. Okay, here is what we have. This is what I've been working on since Friday. I wired me up a nice little kill switch so I can kill the engine once I get where I'm going. That should work. Got wired underneath here. Yep, wired her all the way through the back. Right through there. Now, I made this thing custom. I mean, obviously I purchased the brackets, but this was something I found. Actually, this was part of this, so that worked out for this, which works perfect. And then I got this all customized as well. Hopefully this lasts. It should. I thought about spraying and painting that, but I think it looks good. Big game, right? But yeah, she's got a range of motion. She has got some limit to it, but nothing gets all tied up. Oof. This is a Third Coast Huron 120. It's got a 30-inch width to it, so it's got quite a bit of stability. I can stand up in this kayak, no problem. So I have no problem that the weight distribution is going to be, it's going to work out just fine. But yeah, here's my pull cord. All I got to do is give her a little nice yank and she comes down. Well, as I'm pulling, I'm going to be pulling up my throttle at the same time. Yeah, this all seems to be doing well. I spray painted this black, and then I put like a coating on it, a clear coat on it to ward off water and stuff like that. These are actually mounted into the existing where the handle was. So this is my modification, my inspiration come true, and I'm excited. It should work out. Tries. It kept dying on me. I didn't even want to run, but now she's starting to come out. The water's that black bracket. The water's supposed to be coming out of there. For the first like 10 minutes, it wasn't even coming out of there. Oh, she's breaking in. She's not smoking as much, and the idle's better. It's not broken in yet, but she's definitely doing what she should be doing. Here we go. Here's round two. Round two, guys. Get 'em, Maya. They play like this all the time. Last 2 years, all the time. Such a good fit. She's almost ready. Just an idle. It works. My kayak is moving by motor. It works just perfect. It works. Very pleased. I can't go, I mean, this is about as fast as I can go, but it feels good. I mean, this is cool. This is super cool. I love it.